Yo, what's up everybody? Beautiful weather over there in Canada, Toronto, actually Hamilton. And we are going, oh my god, we are going with my mate here, Luis, you may know him already.
What's up?
Yeah, yo, what's up? Going for shopping, Walmart, and
we're going to Kuta.
Kuta?
Let's go to Kuta.
We're going to Beachwood. No, we're going
See
for...
you guys there.
See you for... going to Walmart, maybe some coffee and stuff, strolling around. I'm gonna show you. It's Sunday, so must be a little bit lazy, easygoing day. However, weather is really beautiful. But first, we're gonna wash the car because we're not gonna drive the dirty car to the Walmart, right? It's not gonna it's not gonna look good if we're gonna go the dirty car to the Walmart, right?
We've been waiting around for too long for something to show.
And we are off from the highway getting to legendary Walmart. Actually, Walmart is only popular in North America and will be really like not nice if I'm not gonna visit, especially as we have to go shopping anyway, so doesn't really matter. So here we go, Walmart is there. Here we go, Walmart, super center. Very popular stuff here in North America. Just we have to find a place to park somewhere near to the entrance, yeah? So you're not gonna walk. Here we go. My friend is very focused when parking actually. Alright, cool. Next to Silverado. No, this is Silverado? I don't know. Anyway, big pickup. Okay, let's go. So yeah, that's the time to show you legendary Walmart. Not paid endorsement to the Walmart, but this is like, if you're coming here, you have to have a look what is inside. And here we go. Basically, this is huge supermarket where most of people shopping in general. You can find a lot of stuff. But here we go. They have even little McDonald's inside the store. That's the most favorite section for my male fans from YouTube. I'm gonna tell you what is this one here. Here you go, Polish people. There's Polish beer in Walmart in Canada. Czatra, czyskie, lech, żywiec, leża, skączyskie. Unbelievable. Actually, I'm impressed. And you can have a Bud Light as well if you want. Overall, huge supermarket. That's a supermarket. Costco and Walmart are the biggest supermarket. That's my favorite section of the chocolates. No shortage of the chocolates as well here. However, Walmart is like a supermarket and Costco is more into wholesale, right? Oh, and you can find the big buckets with ice creams, perhaps $7. And of course, when I mentioned maybe last time you skip it in Costco, they're selling the milk in the plastic bags. Not in the cartons, but plastic bags. And of course, generally you can buy a lot of stuff from the homeware, kitchenware, products, whatever you want. You just wanted to show a little bit how generally overall looks inside the Walmart. Huge sweet selection, and also Halloween is coming, so there will be a lot of Halloween stuff. And you can buy the boxes with chocolates like this one, of course. Big sizes, but I don't know if it's on everyday uses or maybe for Halloween, but you can buy it. Price is actually pretty affordable for the chocolates here, I gotta tell you. And the Halloween stuff you can find, and the big boxes of chocolate, health, beauty, everything, a lot of stuff. Right, that was the Walmart in Canada. Just wanted to say a few words about the pricing. In my opinion, I have very similar, kinda one-to-one prices in Australia for my Australian viewers. However, Canadian dollar is a little bit more expensive, so maybe there will be like plus minus 10-20% of difference. But after that, this is it. That's how does it look like. We are going, that's the parking areas also here, they are big. We are going to also very important store here, which calls Canadian Tire. This is actually a little bit of my friend said if somebody asks how to describe Canadian Tire store, it's a little bit of everything and nothing. That's why I'm gonna get there and I'm gonna show you. Oh, they have also the food here, and that's the name of the store, as you can see, Canadian Tire. Okay, we're gonna get inside. Overall, Boston Pizza.
Didn't you film this?
Huh?
Did you film Canadian Tire?
No, I didn't film the Canadian Tire. We were, but I didn't film, bro. You forgot? You see, we have opportunity. Oh, lots of nice cars, right? Alright, so somebody have a Challenger RT here, and that's the Canadian Tire store. Okay, gonna show you a little bit inside as well. And this is inside the Canadian Tire store. Basically, this is like a little bit of everything, hardware, garden stuff. That's the tires. Also, they're selling tires, paints, all what you need to the garden, to the home, basically. equipment and the stuff, regular pets, everything. Little bit of everything and nothing, as I said at the beginning. However, it's misleading because the name is Canadian Tire, but they also having tires actually. I'm gonna show you somewhere. As I said, a lot of kitchen stuff. You can buy the fridge and everything, luggage even if you try, but also the sport stuff like kayaks and the hockey stuff, and then yeah, like everything, like literally everything. That's actually the hockey stuff. Here you have a whole section of the hockey stuff. Here you go, check this out. Actually so cool. You can also buy the Toronto Blue Jays football team jersey and stuff, shoes, I mean fishing rods, everything. So it's not like only the bus store what I show you, but here is everything. My friend used to play the hockey long time ago, and now he's showing off a little bit in the store. Woo! Oh, cool. But that actually must be cool playing this stuff at school. I used to play football at school only. Plenty of stuff, but of course don't forget winter is coming, so get stuck yourself with the proper stuff because you're gonna do the job, but not me. But the cool stuff actually for winter. So basically this is what Canadian Tire is about, everything and nothing, all the stuff you can find. Also this particular one have a garden section on the other side, and on the other side they have a car part tires, and you can service your tires and stuff. So this is it. And the whole complex of the shops, of course, there's the pizza, Boston pizza place, and some other shops. So this is it. Alright guys, and now is the coffee time after shopping. Of course, legendary Starbucks. And normally I don't drink coffee in Starbucks, but in North America, Canada, US, I have to try Starbucks. Actually, I had already a few times. It's actually tastes better, to be honest. So yeah, this is it. Coffee time. They actually have a Sumatran coffee beans from Sumatra, Indonesia. They usually have the Komodo somewhere. I saw. Oh, that's actually Komodo Dragon coffee. Here we go. Here and other blends, of course. And that's inside the Starbucks in Canada. A little bit different than in Asia, right? That's the coffees, but not that many people working on the laptops, for example, right? Alright, got my Starbucks. Actually, Starbucks here it tastes better. I think I already said previously. And also, very interesting fact is that this is cheaper than in Asia, cheaper than in Europe as well. This is actually very interesting because overall Canada is not the cheapest place in the world, obviously. And also I would like to say, as everything actually is here what you saw, Starbucks, all the shops, Walmart, Canadian Tire and many others are in the one big shopping complex, like where there's such of huge spacious parking area, and basically this is it.
Waiting on the day no one to blame. I'm not letting it fade. So don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me. So keep on going.
Alright guys, at the end of the video I showed you a little bit of the one of the residential areas here in Ontario, in Hamilton actually, near the Toronto. Actually to the Toronto center we have around 80 kilometers from here. This is actually where me and my friend staying, actually my friend's house. So thanks so much for watching, hope so you enjoyed today, like a easygoing Sunday shopping day. Thanks so much, see you tomorrow on next one from Canada. See ya.